We'd like to thank everyone for helping us make our spring open house such a success. It's always wonderful to meet new clients and see our homeowners and builders. Over the past 40 years, our motto of doing the right thing has built the Beaver Mountain family, and open houses give us the opportunity to listen to you and what you're looking for in a log home company. Our factory tours are always a big hit, allowing us to show you all of the things that make up the Beaver Mountain difference. After the tour, we enjoy taking the time to speak with you, our clients and builders, and truly believe that listening is one of the secrets to our success. We're very proud of our team and the relationships that have been built over the years. Our 40th anniversary and Customer Builder Appreciation Day is coming up on October 1st, 2022, and we continue our goal of being the best in the industry. We want to give you the best customer service, the best quality, the best home building experience for both our clients and builders. We're looking forward to celebrating where we've come from and are excited about where we're going and hope you'll join us.